What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video, daily vlogs. So in today's video, this is going to be like a daily life vlog. We actually got a camera strapped on Finnegan. Hey guys. So we're going to see what kind of clips we can get with that. We'll implement them throughout this video here and there, and then we're also just going to show you guys what we do on a day-to-day basis. So we're going to play this intro and we'll be right back. So now that you guys are back from that intro, her name is Kristina, my name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We do thrifting all the time. We've been documenting it all on YouTube, making videos for about 6 to 7 months now. So we love it. We found our passion through it. We're super excited to just keep growing, keep doing more. It gets a little frustrating at times, we're not going to lie to you guys, but we're going to keep doing it because it's what we want to do. So we're young and hungry and we're just going to keep going. So like I said, today's video is just going to be like a day in the life. We don't really have a plan for today's video. We'll see where it goes. But right now we actually are going to explain our morning to-do checklist that we created. We got it all done today, so we'll just show you. So this is pretty much our checklist that we created. We're gonna have it on a small whiteboard to write it every single morning and daily and nighttime. We got 3 actually different checklists. But so every morning we rewrite it on this and we got it on a piece of paper so we actually can't forget it, and a bigger whiteboard. We drew pictures so it's more fun. Yeah. So I'll show you, I'll put some B-roll of that while I was just talking right there. But do you want to go over what these are and then we'll kind of just explain?
Sure. Number 1 is to kiss.
So pretty much first thing we do is, as soon as we wake up, is kiss each other.
Roll over and kiss each other. Second thing on the list is to pray.
Yep, I'll say a nice 30-second to a minute prayer.
Third on our list is to make the bed and then make iced coffee.
Yes, just to get us ready in the morning, get things cleaned up, you know, just that, get yourself going morning stuff.
Yes. Fourth on the list is to bounce.
So pretty much we have a trampoline. We garbage picked a small trampoline. So we got that tip from Steve Rake. It gets your lactic acid moving, so it's good to do that in the morning. We did 3 minutes this morning. It felt forever, so we might cut it back to just 2 minutes of bouncing each.
Fifth on the list is to work out.
So this morning I did a couple push-ups, she did a couple squats. We couldn't actually get to the gym because we did wake up later. Sundays are our morning where we don't wake up at 4. So, which I guess we should have maybe explained that. This starts at 4 a.m. and goes till 8:30 a.m.
Monday through Saturday.
Yeah, so Sundays we have an exception because you need that 1 day of rest.
Sixth on our list is YouTube/Instagram comments.
So that's just something we kind of been slacking with lately, so we want to really get it implemented in the morning and do that because it's kind of frustrating doing it throughout the day, so we just want to get it all done in the morning.
Seventh on our list is to read.
So we just want to pretty much try to bang out 2 chapters, so hopefully it really only takes us about a half hour to 45 minutes. And yes guys, we read together.
Eighth on our list is to add up our money so we know where we're at.
Yes, so just keep track of it every single day. Just add our cash, our online money, everything.
And ninth on the list is to post on YouTube.
Yep, so I like to try to do that before 9 a.m. because I was posting at noon, but I've realized I get more views at 9, so that's our checklist for the morning.
We really want to achieve these goals every morning because it's a great way to start the morning off, to be like, alright, it's 8:30, I already got 10 things done for the day. Yeah. So we really want to stick to it, and I believe that we can.
So now in this video we just explained our morning checklist. We're actually going to go for a walk because that's something that we didn't have in our checklist. So Finn's head just kind of twitched like that. I'll play that in the camera.
He's so excited now.
But like I said, we're going to go just because we need to get that in. We need to get our little bit of outside work. We can't be cooped up in this room all day just drinking coffee, sitting on computers. We get bug-eyed and it'd just be crazy. So we need to get some little bit of exercise, some free air.
Yes.
So we're going to try to keep the GoPro on Finn. See whatever kind of clips we get. I'll bring the camera as well in case there's anything interesting that goes on, but yeah, we're gonna go for a walk right now. This is how we had to keep Finn calm that whole time. We had to place him on a trampoline because he's too scared to jump off of it. Is it torture or is it worth it for the views?
Finn, man,
let us know in the comments. Yeah, Finn, you ready for the walk? Make this work.
So we gotta get that harness on plus the GoPro harness.
Come on, get your foot. There we go.
He's like, this is not a fun walk.
See, I don't want the leash to be messing this up.
Oh, true.
Well, hopefully it works.
Okay,
It's rolling. It's rolling. Yep, daily walk.
Finn's got the GoPro on today.
Yeah. See his point of view.
Yep.
Nice. I just threw it. Finn. Ready? Ready? You're so stupid.
Want some more? Is that okay? That's it.
So both camera batteries ended up dying.
We're actually such good YouTubers.
So we went back home and just did some computer work.
I listed and Martin edited.
Okay, so we finally got the camera batteries charged up. So we're gonna do what we were saying in the beginning of the video. We're gonna go through our daily checklist now that we made for ourselves.
Yes.
So Do you want to just go right through it?
Yep. Number 1 is to film. Obviously, we have to do that during the day.
We have to do it for daily vlogs.
Gotta put out videos. Number 2 on our list is to edit.
So pretty much that's just me. I gotta edit something because we do daily videos.
Yes. Number 3 on our list is pictures. So that one is for me, so I can take pictures of all of the items that we have sourced.
Yep.
Number 4 on our list is to post on Instagram at least 6 times.
Yeah, because we have a couple of different accounts, so we want to get at least 6 posts on all of those accounts.
So number 5 on the list is to package.
So today, obviously, we didn't have to package because it is Sunday. That is the one day we get off. But usually we have to package at least like 3 to 5 packages a day. So we were very thankful for our eBay sales and Poshmark sales.
So number 6 on our list is to list. So that is another one for me, obviously. So I need to get up our listings back up to the 550 that we were at because we've had so many sales lately. But yeah, gotta list. Number 7 on our list is to walk.
Yep, so we have to get a daily walk in. We love doing that, so we already did that today.
Yes.
We crossed that out, obviously, as you see.
And we're trying to whisper the word walk because Finn is right on
Yeah,
there.
I want to go on another one.
No. Number 8 on our list is to clean and do the laundry.
So that's just something we want to keep up on every day because obviously it's nice to stay clean and have clean clothes.
Yes. And number 8 on our list finally is to share on Poshmark. So,
Nope, that's so.
So our closet, our followers' closets, any new listings we have into any of the parties, that's really just basically gotta keep it up throughout the day.
Yeah. So those are pretty much just our daily checklists. So we don't know where today's going. It's about 4 p.m. right now. Still a lot of time left. We're planning on going to bed around like 9 p.m.
So we still have to show you guys our nightly checklist now, but we have 5 hours left of the day to crush it. We've been up for 9 now, so we'll keep you updated.
Okay, so it's later in the night now. It's about 9 o'clock. We were just doing she was taking pictures, I was doing some editing. So now we're gonna go through our final checklist of the night. These are just, how many is there?
6, I believe.
6 things that we do just right before bed.
Number 1 is to rewrite our schedule, so not this nightly one, but after we do this, we're gonna rewrite our morning schedule. And then number 2 on our list is to get clothes for tomorrow, so we can actually cross that off because I got clothes already.
Nice.
Number 3 on our list is to fill up 2 Starbucks cups with water, so we have water ready for us if we're sleeping and need it or something.
And so right when we wake up, because I want to start implementing just drinking as much water as I can throughout the day, so right when I wake up, probably chug one of those glasses.
Yes. 4th on our list is to, at 9 o'clock, start a Marvel movie.
Yep, because we are huge Marvel fans, if you know that or not, so we want to just keep watching those movies. We feel like we haven't seen one in forever. Like, we literally used to watch them every day last year, so we want to start trying to watch them every night to just cool down like an hour before bed.
And relax. Number 5 on our list is kind of out of order, but it's dinner.
Yeah, so that's gonna kind of happen before a lot of these things.
Yeah.
Probably before everything.
Yes. And number 6 on our list, though, is to get back to other people's YouTube videos and leave comments on their videos.
Yeah, so just pretty much watch their videos, probably like through dinner, maybe the start of the movie and stuff. But we just want to start watching your guys' videos more. So that's pretty much our daily checklist of everything we do. We're trying to keep super busy. So that was our video today. I know we called it, we put a GoPro on Finn. We tried to do that. We really wanted to make a video like that, and I know a couple of our OGs were asking us to do that, but we didn't really have a good idea for it, so the best we could really think of is film it.
To the park.
Yeah, like taking him to the park and then having him just stare at us while we're talking in our normal videos. Yeah. So if you have any better ideas, let us know in the comment section below. We'd really love to hear your ideas, and maybe we'll just do it. So that was our video. Make sure to smash that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions. And until tomorrow, peace guys. Go crush it.